Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake without any ice cream. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite milk, whether that's whole milk for a richer texture or a plant-based option. Next, choose a sweetener like 2 tablespoons of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or maple syrup. Finally, decide on your primary flavorings to get started on this simple, satisfying treat. The secret to a creamy milkshake without ice cream lies in clever additions. For a thick base, try adding 1/2 to 1 whole frozen banana. It works wonders. You can also boost the creaminess with 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, which also adds a nice tang. For an even richer, smoother texture, a single tablespoon of your favorite nut butter, like peanut or almond, makes a fantastic difference. These ingredients are key to that perfect consistency. Now for the fun part. Customizing your milkshake's flavor. For a timeless chocolate shake, simply blend in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder or a generous swirl of chocolate syrup. If you prefer something simpler, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract offers a wonderfully aromatic and comforting taste. Don't be afraid to get creative. A small pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg can add a surprising and delightful warmth to your homemade creation. The possibilities are endless. Once you have all your chosen ingredients, it's time to blend. Combine everything in a high-speed blender and process until the mixture is completely smooth and frothy, usually about 30 to 60 seconds. If your milkshake is too thick, add a splash more milk. If it's too thin, toss in a few more pieces of frozen fruit. Pour your perfect, ice cream-free milkshake into a chilled glass and enjoy it right away for maximum freshness and flavor. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.